just a perfect situation.
Following morning. Those mushrooms are in 2 pint-sized jars that I use for any dehydrating things, and all the stems I did separately, and I'm going to grind these down for mushroom powder, so that's why they're in this container. And overnight I've had Mason's pig's ear treats dehydrating, so I'll be checking them and doing them in a moment. I've also had a bag of bones from the butcher's, and they're in my large stock pot, which holds, well, I've got it full of bones and about 6 litres of water, something like that. But that's going to make some bone broth that I will can up, use myself, might use some in soups, use it in Mason's dog food. But seeing as it's free of charge, the butcher gives me a bag of bones for nothing, it's really a good thing to have on my shelves, which cost nothing. But I'm just sorting a list of what I need to do today. Dehydrator moved, as I need some space in here. I emptied and cleaned up, ready for the next thing I dehydrate. The bones I've taken out, turned it off, and I'm letting that cool down. This lump of meat now I'm going to cut up. Some will be frozen, some will be canned, some will be made into sausages. I don't know yet, so I'll get to it. It's not a pretty sight, but it doesn't matter. I've got like a pork, if you like, and I've got these long metal skewers, so I've skewered it together to hold the skin over it, and that's going to go in the freezer. This is all the meat I've got, don't know how much is there, next biggest bowl, and I have bones and fat and ribs here, and I know there's still meat on them, but I'm not going to spend hours getting little bits of meat off. I'm going to cook them up, and then we'll eat the meat that's cooked on them. So, oh, and those are me bits and the trotter, and I don't know what I'm doing with them yet, but I'm making some headway. It doesn't look like it, but I'm making some headway. I decided to make some burgers with some of the minced beef, and I've done this 12 altogether, and this is what they look like. Nice thick burgers, mince and onion, well, beef and onion. Right, sort them out now, and then on to something else. There are shepherd's pies. I've completed 3. I need to mash up some more root mash for the top of this one. They aren't shepherd's pies, they're cottage pies. I've added up now. My camera's going with meatballs in it, and I'm still going. Eight jars altogether, 6 of meatballs and 2 of stock, and I don't get the pinging, but if they all seal, they'll go on my shelves. Food for isolation, because we're going in full lockdown as from tonight. Oh no, tomorrow morning, because Lich is going out to buy a few more items that we need to last us the next 2 months. So I've been at this now for about 8 hours. I am in pain and I still haven't finished for today. But bye.
It's a